Movement, we're going to be going through a hamstring floss. Now this is a really good movement for trying to increase the amount of range of motion we have in our hamstrings. Most importantly, we're sort of now targeting a bit of like the nerve in the back of the leg. Sometimes nerve can get tight and not muscle, so to loosen up nerve before is always a great way of doing it. Starting with, you know, if people have really tight hamstrings and you feel like you get loads of like tension and feel like strain is going down into the calves, this can be a really good movement for you. So, you know, I'm relatively flexible, but sort of keep note of where my hands are right now, and we'll revisit that again in a minute. So starting off with our hamstring floss. So we're going to go down onto the floor, back into the floor. We're going to lift one leg up, hand behind the back of the leg. Now I like to start with just getting some range of motion going, where I try and push the back of my leg into my hand and try and get range of motion. This at the start might be quite hard to do, so I build up to these where you feel like you're pulling your leg in, but also the back of your leg is pushing into your hands through there. Once you've got that range of motion, we've done about 3 or 4 of these, getting nice and loose, we're going to start our floss. So we're going to bring our feet, toes down, and then we're going to point away, trying to hold that position down, point away. The whole time, I'm still trying to push the back of my knee against my hand whilst trying to bring myself in through there. We're going to do about 4 or 5 of those. It'll bring like a tingling feeling almost into your foot. Then we're going to change over. Same on the other side. We're going to go up, get a few of those going. Feel like we're just like pumping it a little bit. Get motion going through there. You know, for some of you, this might be how you start. Perfect. When that's done, hold that position. We're going to go down and up. Point toes down, up the whole time. Still trying to pull and push at the same time. Good, and relax there. And then if I went back to my test, see my hands gone a lot further past my feet. So it's just a really good way of sort of getting past that nerve feeling, get range of motion going in your hamstrings, and then you can start to strengthen them and stretch the actual hamstring muscle itself.